Hello everyone, welcome to Business School 101. Imagine a workplace where two departments rarely interact. One team is mostly young and tech-savvy, the other is older and more traditional. Misunderstandings happen, and stereotypes form. But what if simply increasing meaningful contact between these groups could reduce bias and build stronger collaboration? That's the idea behind contact hypothesis, a powerful concept in psychology and human resource management. So what contact hypothesis is? How does it work in organizations? Are there some real-world examples and what are its major limitations? In this video, I will discuss these questions with you. Section 1. What is contact hypothesis? Contact hypothesis was first introduced by social psychologist Gordon Allport in 1954. It proposes that under the right conditions, interpersonal contact between members of different groups can reduce prejudice and increase mutual understanding. Originally developed to address racial segregation, the theory has since found applications in many areas, including education, international relations, and workplace diversity. Section 2. Key conditions for success. For contact to effectively reduce bias, four essential conditions must be met. Number 1. Equal status. Interacting individuals must perceive each other as equals. If there is a real or perceived hierarchy, such as senior managers educating interns, stereotypes may be reinforced instead of reduced. Equal status promotes respect and open dialogue. Number 2. Common goals. Groups must share a meaningful objective. Working toward a common outcome, like completing a product launch or solving a customer service issue, creates a sense of shared purpose that reduces us versus them thinking. Number 3. Intergroup cooperation. Contact must involve collaborative interaction, not just proximity. Simply attending the same meetings won't work. The contact must require problem-solving, joint decision-making, or co-creation. Number 4. Institutional support. Leadership must explicitly support inclusion efforts. Policies, rewards, and communication must reinforce the value of diverse collaboration. Without top-down support, inclusive contact can feel forced or tokenistic. Section 3. Real-world examples. Here are 3 real-world applications of contact hypothesis in HRM. Example 1. Google's cross-team innovation projects. At Google, employees are frequently rotated through cross-functional teams, mixing engineers, marketers, and UX designers. These teams are deliberately diverse in both professional and demographic terms. By giving everyone a voice in product ideation and implementation, Google fosters trust and reduces silos. Equal status, shared goals, and collaborative work help break down unconscious bias and create stronger innovation. Example 2. Marriott International's Cultural Awareness Workshops. Marriott has long championed diversity by running cultural immersion workshops. These initiatives bring together employees from different countries and ethnic backgrounds to share experiences and traditions through storytelling and team-building activities. These workshops foster cooperation and are backed by company-wide support, fulfilling all 4 conditions of contact hypothesis. Example 3. IBM's cross-generational reverse mentorship. At IBM, junior digital natives are paired with senior executives to teach them about emerging technologies, while learning leadership and business strategy in return. These relationships are built on mutual respect and shared learning goals, demonstrating how contact across age groups can foster inclusion and break down generational bias. Section 4. Strategies. Here are a few tips about how HR managers can apply contact hypothesis. Number 1. Design inclusive teams. Mix individuals from diverse backgrounds intentionally, whether across departments, cultures, genders, or generations. Ensure equal contributions in decision-making and shared accountability in project outcomes. Number 2. Promote collaborative challenges. Launch initiatives like cross-department hackathons or innovation challenges where team success depends on combining skills from multiple backgrounds. These structured, purpose-driven activities create real intergroup cooperation. Number 3. Support peer learning and mentoring. Develop peer mentoring programs that cross lines of difference, such as experience levels, locations, or departments. Ensure these relationships are built on reciprocity rather than hierarchy. Number 4. Reinforce through culture and policy. Provide training on unconscious bias and inclusive leadership. Make sure company policies reward teamwork and inclusive behavior, not just individual performance. Public recognition from leadership reinforces institutional support. Section 5. Limitations. While contact hypothesis offers a powerful tool for reducing workplace bias, it comes with important limitations. First, if the core conditions equal status, shared goals, cooperation, and institutional support are not met, intergroup contact can backfire. For example, putting people from different backgrounds into a room without a clear task or mutual respect may reinforce negative stereotypes instead of dismantling them. Tokenism or superficial mixing without structure often leads to frustration rather than inclusion. Second, the effects of contact require time and repetition to take hold. A one-time workshop or social lunch won't create meaningful change. Inclusion through contact is a long-term process that builds trust slowly. HR initiatives need to be sustained, reinforced, and scaled gradually across the organization. Without ongoing effort, early progress can fade or even regress. Third, pre-existing hostility or power imbalances can undermine contact strategies. If employees come into the interaction with past grievances or feel that the system is biased, contact may intensify conflict rather than reduce it. For example, in environments with a history of discrimination or hierarchical rigidity, efforts to encourage contact must be paired with broader cultural change and psychological safety. Section 6, Summary. To wrap up, contact hypothesis teaches us that meaningful, equal-status interaction between different groups can reduce bias and foster inclusion, if done right. It's a research-backed theory with decades of validation, but its success depends on smart, intentional design. Inclusion isn't passive, it's a strategic process. That's all for today's topic. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.